Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light on an 02 to 2010 Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. The third brake light assembly is held in with 2 Phillips screws. And then it pulls right out of the car. In order to make it easier to work with, I'm going to fully remove it from the vehicle, which means unplugging it and disconnecting the rear washer hose. There are 4 tabs, so push them in or pry up on the black plastic to release them. You might need a screwdriver, you might just be able to use your hands. Then the whole thing pops off. And you might notice there's no bulbs in here. That's because I already took them out because they all overheated and melted the plastic in this assembly. So normally there will be 5 168 bulbs in here. But since this all melted on mine, I'm going to be replacing the entire assembly. And decided, instead of going with incandescent, I found an LED version. So either replace the bulbs or get a new assembly. Then to reinstall the assembly, just hook the hose back up to the washer, plug in the wires, put it in the car, and then put in the screws. And of course, make sure it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.